Welcome to another special edition of Death Toll Racing. This is an overview video of our 2018 Death Toll Ram 3500. It's a Cummins and it is a manual. It's a late model 2018. It is one of the last manual trucks that Ram made. So sadly, one of the last manual trucks that you could get in North America. Ford and Chevy both discontinued theirs long before Ram did. So this truck rolled into the shop as a tradesman. It was new. All these upgrades that you're seeing were done to it while it was a new truck. Brand new, had about 50 miles on it. So we used a lot of factory parts to upgrade it to the higher level, the Laramie Sport and higher level parts. I have the rear cargo camera I added on, and the LED tail lights, the HID headlights. We did the EVIC dash cluster and the 8.4 Android Auto nav stereo. And that also upgrades your HVAC. When you buy it through infotainment, you upgrade your HVAC as well to the digitally controlled HVAC system. And you have the knobs and everything, which I actually like that system very well. And I also like infotainment a lot. Infotainment.com, they sell all those parts to upgrade to your factory parts. And then they sell you the module, or they give you the module with it, so that you can tune your truck to use all those parts so that they work the way they're supposed to work from the factory. I used Carli suspension on this truck, and it was kind of a hands up between Carli and AEV, and I chose Carli. They're both quality suspension systems, but Carli rides softer. Which is good for what I wanted it for, but that might not necessarily be good for what you would want it for. So just keep that in mind. AEV, basically your payload is going to be higher on an AEV. They have a stiffer suspension, but if you have a pickup like a bed style camper or something, I think the AEV would probably be a better bet for you. Or if you're towing like a heavy fifth wheel or something, maybe the AEV would be better, or just adding airbags. This is a leaf spring truck, being a 3500, so it has Carli's leaf springs in the back, which are really, really soft. So they don't handle weight very well, unfortunately. Even with my bumper pull trailer, it squats it down pretty good. Onto the transmission. The transmission on this thing, they come with ATF. It's something I always want to encourage everyone right away to get that ATF out of those things and put in Schaeffer's SAE 50. That is for longevity wise. There's no reason to run that ATF in there. I don't see any reason for it. I don't know why Ram put it in there. Mercedes-Benz makes these. They use that same transmission in their military trucks, and their military trucks run SAE 50. They don't run ATF. I don't know why they put that in there, and I discourage anyone from running it, because you'll see right away when you pull your drain plugs out the amount of metal on your drain plugs while running that ATF. Is just ridiculous. So anyway, that concludes this episode. I ended it on a rant on ATF and on a manual transmission, but here's a picture of it. And that's why you don't do it. That's 50 miles on that oil, and it was also a quart low from the factory. So anyway, stay tuned. We got a console upgrade coming up in the next couple days in this truck, so stay tuned for that. It's a pretty entertaining one because we may have been drinking while we were doing it.